Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 245 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30% or 20%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now, let's continue with the reset. So first we need to press and hold the up button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through this menu. Now I'm gonna press the up button to scroll through the menu, select the system, and once you select the system, press the start/stop button to enter. Here, scroll down through the menu again by using the up and down buttons. Select the option called reset, then press the start/stop button. Now scroll down, find the option called delete data and reset settings, then press the start button. Now scroll down by pressing the down button, and here select the option called yes, and then press the start/stop to confirm and start the resetting process. So let's press the start/stop button. Okay, this took a while, but once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you reset or factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.